Alright, today's video will go over our daily math activity and how I'd like you to submit it from here on out. So you go into Fraser R78A and you click on classwork. And then you're going to go down to math. The easiest way to do it is you go to the side left channel here and you click on math. Once you're there, you'll notice that there's a new assignment. And what I say in the text is I say, solve the question I found in the attached PDF. Your solution should be clearly written down and uploaded into the Google Classroom into this assignment. You may choose use a digital tool or pen and paper. So I say pen, but of course pencil is more recommended. And here's the question itself. We're playing around with a few different aspects to circles again. So if you needed to review the circle song and take a look at that, you can. Apparently it's taking forever to load, so we're going to see what happens here. I'm going to click back and just try it again. So I'm going to go back into the assignment, I'm going to open up the PDF, and hopefully this time it works out. There you go. Okay, so cylinder number 1 has a radius of 2 centimeters and a height of 100 centimeters. So it's very narrow but very tall. Cylinder number 2 has a radius of 100 centimeters, but only a height of 2. So it's very wide, but short. Predict which one would have the greatest volume. And I would like you to calculate this. And predict which one will have the greatest surface area. And I'd like you to calculate this as well. And for volume of a cylinder, I say that pi r squared. And then surface area, I'm going to let you figure that one out based upon what we've already learned. Okay, and then once you're done that, so you could either put it on a piece of paper and take a picture of it, or you can go into GeoGebra or Jamboard or something like that. But here's what I'm going to show you with GeoGebra. How to save it as an image, because what you want to be careful with is you do not want to save this as a GeoGebra file, because for me to open it up, it's quite a lot of work. So make sure that you save it as an image. So if I'm in my geometry tool here, and I've created my, let's say I wanted to create the net for the 2 cylinders. So let's just put like a circle there. And let's do a quick rectangle. Of course, this is not at all solving the question. But let's pretend that I showed my work by making a net. And I'm going to click on more down there. And I'm going to click on text. And I'm going to click where I want the text. I'm going to say V equals... let's just do height times length, and then I'd show all my calculations. Oop, let's try that again. Oh, it's renaming. Let's get rid of that. Let's cancel. Sorry. Let's go into text, and I do v equals height times length, and I have my text down there. That's the wrong equation, but we're just going to do it quickly. And then we go to the 3 dashes up here. So I'll click on that again. Export image. Please don't do save or download. That won't work for me because that will open up the GeoGebra file. I want an image. So export image. You're going to click download. Then wherever that downloaded on your computer, that's what I want you to upload into your classroom to submit your file. Now let's hop into Jamboard and let's take a look at what that looks like. So again, I go up to the 3 or the 9 little waffle icons here. And I scroll down until I get to Jamboard. Your Jamboard icon might be in a slightly different spot. And I'm just going to pull up any file here. So let's pretend it's this file here. So of course this is not the answer, but we're going to pretend this is the answer. We're going to click on the 3 dashes up there. And you can download it in 2 different types. A PDF works fine, or an image works fine. So in this case, I'm going to download as an image. It goes to my downloads folder, and wherever that is, if you're on a Google or a Chromebook on one of the school devices, that's going to be in your Google Drive. Most computers, it's going to be in your downloads folder. And then you go back into the assignment. So here's the assignment, and I press back. And if you open up this assignment in the top right corner, you should see an add file and a submit button, and that's how you submit it. Okay, so let me know if you have any more questions, and I'm happy to help. Bye, guys.